Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting parts and preparing the first physical assembly because a cramped layout is the main constraint. Once you have the GSM module, MACU, keypad, and a 3.7V LiPo, design a compact PCB footprint and solder header pins. Make sure to secure the battery with tape and position the SIM slot for later access. This avoids rework. Begin by mounting the GSM and MCU on the board and routing power traces first, since stable power matters for RF modules. Next, you wire the keypad matrix to MCU GPO and configure pull-ups, because key scanning depends on stable input states. Once done, implement the serial at command bridge so the MCU can dial, send SMS, and parse DTMF. That gives the keypad control over calls. Make sure to add a TP4056 charging circuit and MOSFET power switch, and code low-power sleep modes so battery life is reasonable. Test each subsystem individually. Keypad, serial comms, and charge. Finally, you enclose the electronics and finalize software to make it wearable and reliable. Carefully position the antenna away from your wrist and secure modules with foam to prevent shorts. Then flash the final firmware that debounces keys, routes calls, and provides voice or beep feedback. Test real calls and SMS, and measure idle and active battery draw to confirm expectations. If something goes wrong, inspect solder joints, measure 3.7V and 5V rails, and reflash the bootloader. That single troubleshooting step fixes most communication failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.